Blending can be a messy task. Thankfully, this blender from Russell Hobbs has dishwasher-safe parts that saves you from washing up. 3 speed settings and a pulse function allow you to choose the best option for whatever you're making, so you can effortlessly make soups, smoothies and dips at the touch of a button. The retro design will add a touch of the 1950s to your kitchen decor, creating a chic style on your worktop. Enjoy an effortless look that will never go out of fashion. A 1.5 litre capacity gives you more space to whip up a variety of smoothies, sauces, drinks and more. The Spacious Jug can make up to 6 cups at once, so you can wow your guests with delicious drinks. A perfect addition to any kitchen, this flexible and convenient Russell Hobbs blender delivers perfect results every time.